Whether using the portable 5422 lockbox or the wall mount version 5423, the operating instructions are the same. These reliable push-button set-your-own combination lockboxes use a familiar alphanumeric keypad format. When using the lockbox for the first time, open the protective weather cover and press down the Clear button located at the bottom of the box. Then press down on the Open button at the top of the box and glide the door down to fully open it. When you open the lockbox, you'll see the yellow Recode tool and 12 yellow slotted buttons. The Recode tool and buttons are used to set your own combination. The buttons are numbered 0 to 9, and the pound and star symbols can be included in your combination. Your combination can be 1 to 12 characters long, using each character only once. Before you start to set your own combination, make sure all the arrows on the buttons are in the Set Off position, with the arrows pointing down. To set your own combination, you can use the Recode tool or a small flathead screwdriver. As an example, we will set the combination to 2, 4, 6, 8 by pushing and turning each of the buttons 180 degrees. When the button is properly set, it will pop up, indicating it's in the Set On position, and the arrows on the buttons will be pointing up. The lock is now set to your new combination. To close and lock the box, press down the Clear button and enter your combination. Then press down and hold the Open button and close the door. You must enter the combination to close the lockbox. To open the lockbox after the combination has been set, press down the Clear button. Then enter your combination and press down the Open button. Glide the compartment door down to fully open. Both lockboxes feature an anti-jam hook, so you can hang your keys and not worry about the door jamming. Always remember to close the weather cover to protect your lock from extreme weather. Don't forget to store your new combination at masterlockvault.com. Master Lock. Tough under fire.